What is the real meaning of turmeric in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of turmeric dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If you see turmeric in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates good luck, healing, protection from all kinds of negative things, success and prosperity, and an upcoming good time in which you will make huge progress in every aspect of life very easily. But sometimes this dream also suggests new opportunities for success that will make you happier and more successful person in life. Now number 2, if you see turmeric crop or plants in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to get the fruits of your past hard work and dedication in the form of success with monetary gain in real life. Now number 3, if you see buying turmeric in a dream, then it indicates progress, success and financial gain from a business, job, etc. Or you are going to get new opportunities for success with monetary gain in real life. Now number 4, if you see eating turmeric in a dream, then it indicates success in any work, project or planning very easily. As well as this dream also suggests the ending of life problems soon, which have been bothering you for a long time. And due to this you will again feel more energetic and healthier in the coming future. Now number 5, if you see harvesting or digging turmeric in a dream, then it indicates good luck, prosperity and success due to your past hard work and dedication. As well as this dream also suggests that you are going to get new opportunities with success in the coming future that will change you and your life completely in positive ways. Now number 6, if you see cooking something with turmeric in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates success in any work, project or planning due to your skills, knowledge and creativity in life. So to take the maximum benefit from it, this is the right time to set some big goals according to priority in real life. Now number 7, if you see stale or spoiled turmeric in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to cross-check your plans before execution in life. Because there is something very important thing is missing in your plan that demands your attention and needs some corrections. As well as this dream also suggests to adopt a positive attitude towards life to get the extraordinary results in real life. Now number 8, if you see applying turmeric on your face or body in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates the ending of life problems soon and healing with a spiritual awakening in the coming future that will make you more powerful and happier person in life. Now number 9, if you see spilling turmeric in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to change your plan before execution in life. Because you have made any kind of wrong decision in life that demands your attention and needs some corrections as soon as possible to get the desired results in real life.